Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
I think he has eyes to see, otherwise he'd use his mirrors.
Eventually.
Good thing the first idiot hit the brakes in time. Cuts a car off, then races through 3 lanes, nearly hitting the sign.
Holy shit!
Luckily, I was paying attention, or I probably would have had an accident today. What do you say when a moose crosses the road?
20 minutes later.
Holy shit, that's a moose! Holy shit!
Where did this crash happen? This driver would rather risk an accident just to save a few seconds. This bus is about to pull into the stop and is using the loudspeaker to clear out the illegal parking. Was I wrong, or is this just typical of Mercedes drivers? I really wish I had a tool to fix that kind of stupidity.
A few moments later. This truck driver is throwing a temper tantrum. When your ego takes a hit, but your best friend is right there with you. One eternity later.
A few moments later.
This idiot in the white truck isn't paying attention. I can't believe some people still don't know how roundabouts work in this day and age. This idiot in front of me was messing around on his cell phone. This SUV driver really waited until the last minute to stop. I know stopping at stop signs can be tough, but what on earth was that? Are turn signals that are barely visible or that turn off the tail light when used legal?
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.